Hi, it's Mandy from Garden Infatuation, and in this video we're going to replant peas and beets because I wasn't happy with my first crop. You'll see me putting wood ash in my garden, and the beets specifically state on the back of the package that they would like some wood ash to help them grow. And I read on the internet that peas like wood ash too, so we're going to try that. And I also put in a temporary trellis that I rigged up quick with some zip ties and some wire that I found in the garage and some bamboo stakes. So I'm hoping my peas will do better. I know that they're a cool season crop, but the peas that I purchased from Vessie's were legacy peas, and they are supposed to be able to tolerate the summer heat. So I'm hopeful that I'll get a better crop this time. also got a bit of mail, some seeds from West Coast Seeds. I got my cover crop. I purchased some buckwheat to put in the fall. So I'm excited to try and build my soil. And I also purchased some micro clover to fill in bald spots in our lawn. There's lots of benefits of micro clover. It's, of course, in the legume family or the pea family, so it's going to fix nitrogen in the soil for your other plants. It stays greener longer than grass, and it's easier to establish than grass, so I'm excited to fill in some of the bald patches. If you liked this video, why not hit the subscribe button? Thanks for watching.